Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Navanshi Agarwal and in my channel I like to keep things lit, so without wasting any time, let's just get into it. This is a very special video because in this video I will be taking you around with me for an online MUN. So hope you'll enjoy it and experience it with me. For those of you who do not know what MUN is, MUN's full form is Model of United Nations. It is basically a platform where students gets to debate and discuss issues of national and international importance. So in my case, the committee I have chosen is the Stakeholders Committee, which is a Indian committee, and my portfolio is Rajnath Singh, which means the points that I put forward would be in accordance of Rajnath Singh's belief and of the BJP's belief, and then I also get to add my own personal points. So my MUN starts from tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day. It is a 2-day committee. It will take place both tomorrow and the day after it. So right now I'll just revise what I have done, do some more research and perfect my speeches even more. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Hope you'll enjoy it and hope so will I. So I just came to an end of day 1 of my MUN. It was for around like 7 hours, and being 7 hours on screen was quite tiring for me. Although the MUN was fun, I did enjoy. I learned some new things definitely. So what was it like that? The most of the people there, the most of the other delegates were senior to me in age and obviously had more experience in MUNs. So more that I was teaching and speaking, I was grasping and learning more things. So which was a good experience. Although in today's committee, I felt that we were giving more of speeches and less of debate, which did disappoint me a bit, but I'm looking forward to tomorrow's debate because the committee has decided that we would be focusing more on the solutions and more on the debate and question answer sessions tomorrow. So that would be fun. So half of my MUN is over now. It was quite a process going through it, researching, putting out my points, meeting new people, discussing, debating with them. It is definitely an enriching experience. So I think I have had enough for today and I'm pretty tired. So I will take a leave, I will get some rest, and then I will continue my research tomorrow morning. And then I'll catch up with you tomorrow and show you around my tomorrow's day at MUN. Bye bye. So my second day of the committee started 2 hours ago and we got our first break right now, and I must say the second day is way better than the first day. We're having more productive and we're moving towards the solution kind of debate, and I got a lot of recognition today. I did give 3 speeches already in 2 hours, and I feel when you realize how your committee is, then you get to understand it better and move towards a more substantive debate. Right now, I am very happy with the kind of debate that is going on. I guess we have 3-4 hours left for the committee yet to continue, and then we would have our ending ceremony. So that's it for about now. The MUN is going fabulous till now. Hope it will continue that way, and I would able to give you guys a complete analysis of how my MUN went and how nice or how not nice it was. So see you then. So the main part of my MUN, the debating and all, just ended. The committee was way better than yesterday and I really enjoyed. But I'll tell you the funny thing that happened. So there were around 25 members in my committee, out of which only 5-6 were supporting the agrarian reforms and were of the ruling party. And today only I was the person left speaking for the ruling party. I don't know for what reason. Other people from the ruling did not speak, and all the opposition pressure was on me. But I feel that helped me tackle it better, taught me how to handle it better the next time. But I did enjoy it. I did put out all the points and did the maximum I could to support the ruling party. So BJP, you owe me one. But anyway, it was really fun. Now it is around 5 o'clock. I will have my ending ceremony starting shortly, where the prizes and all will be given. So I am not very optimistic, but let's see how the results go and I'll keep you posted.
Finally, the much awaited moment has come. Declaration of the winners, which almost every delegate is looking forward to. We now invite our Chief Advisor, Mr. Vishal Srivastava, to declare the awards.
Moving on, the last committee, the stakeholders meet, which was moderated by Parth Parekh and co-moderated by Ayushi Anand. The scribe for this committee was Shreyas Sudeep Mitra. The verbal mentions of this committee are Samrit Patra and Ashok Gulati. The honorable mention for stakeholders meet goes to Asaduddin Owaisi. Special mention goes to Captain Amrinder Singh. High recommendation in the stakeholders meet goes to Rajnath Singh.
High commendation
The Best Delegate Award in the stakeholders meet goes to
Sharad
Sharad
Pawar.
Pawar.
Told you.
I congratulate all the winners and participants of the AUR MUN.
So what happened in the last clip is that I won the second award and I was totally thrilled by it. So they were announcing the awards in the reverse order. So the highest award was the best delegate, which Sharad Pawar won in my committee. The next was high commendation, which I as Rajnath Singh won. And then there were special mentions and verbal recommendations. I am very happy and very proud of myself that I won the award, because in the end, my research, my analysis, the process of going through it was all useful, and it was just amazing to be a part of an MUN, and that too, seeing the COVID situation, the way the online MUN was held was really impressive. Next, the icing on the cake was that I did not know that there were cash prizes while I was participating in the MUN, but after I won it, I realized that there were cash prizes and I had actually won rupees 5,000. Which was obviously exciting for me, because it was one of my first cash prizes that I have won. And so I might be doing a gift haul for all of my family with the cash prize I had won. So stay tuned for that. It might be a bit late, maybe towards the end of May when COVID improves a bit, but definitely I guess I'll be doing that. So thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing, liking and commenting on the video if you enjoyed. And do let me know in the comments how useful was this vlog for you, and do you want more such vlogs. Thank you. Bye-bye.